Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to high contrast fonts using volume up and side button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this shortcut we have to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options, and in accessibility options under advanced settings we have a few options related to our buttons. Side and volume up buttons are here, and now we can look for our high contrast fonts. When we choose this option, now our side button and volume up button should be, yes, it's working. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.